Assalamu alaikum everyone. One of the things that happens when we speak fluently is that the sound at the end of a word can change. To demonstrate this, let's watch this video clip for some people who identified the subway.
Green Park?
Green Park.
It's Green Park.
Now, the word green ends an N sound, doesn't it? Or does it? Listen again. What sound can you hear?
Green Park?
Green Park.
It's Green Park.
So, what's happening here? Well, when one word ends an N sound and the next word begins in a P sound, it changes to an M sound as your mouth gets ready to pronounce the next sound. Green Park becomes Green Park. Here are some more examples.
I own 10 pairs of socks.
I would love to live in Paris.
And this rule is known in Tajweed as Iqlab, and it's the third of the rules of Noon Sakina and Tanween. Iqlab is a phonological process in Arabic that happens when the Arabic letter Noon or Tanween Fatha, Tanween Dhamma, or Tanween Kasra is followed by Ba, whether it's in one word or two different words. In this case, the Noon sound must be replaced or converted into a Meme sound. This is represented by a little meme on top of the letter itself. And this is how it looks like in the Qur'an. It should also be sounded for two counts. For example, we see that there is a Noon Sakina followed by Ba. The little meme has been placed above the Noon. If I'm gonna read this word, it will be Anbihum. I changed the Noon sound into a Meme sound coming through the nasal passage, holding it for two counts. The next one, لَيُنْبَذَنَّ مِنْ بَيْنِ. Examples of Tanween? This is the normal Tanween that makes an N sound like An. But since it's followed by Ba, the shape of Tanween will turn into this shape. And you have to read it like this. لَنَسْفَعًا بِالنَّاصِيَةِ عَلِيمٌ بِذَاتِ الصُّدُورِ فَبِأَيِّ حَدِيثٍ بَعْدَهُ يُؤْمِنُونَ. Now, after you watch the video, test yourself with our short quiz. Until next time, take care and Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.